Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have square root of 3 minus 1 and its whole power 10. So here we simplify this algebraic expression so that here first we let our uh, base is equals to x. So x is equals to square root of 3 minus 1. This is our base. So if we take this is equals to x, then we solve this problem for the values of x to the power of 10. Okay, so here we solve this for x to the power of 10, and now the very first step we are going to do is here first we move this minus 1 in the left hand side, so that when we move in the left hand side it will becomes here plus 1, it will becomes x plus 1 equals to square root of 3. And now here we need to take the square on both of the sides of this equation, so it is written as x plus 1 whole square equals to square root of 3 and its whole square. So these 2 and square root are gone, and here in the left hand side we use the nice square identity which you taught about in the school level. So here the square of x plus 1 is equals to x square plus 1 square plus 2x is equals to 3. So here we need more simplifications, and we write it as x square plus 1 square is equals to 1 plus this is 2x and this whole equals to 3. And now we move the term 1 plus 2x to the right hand side, and it is written as x square equals to here you have this is 2x and plus 1, these both are positive. When we move in the right hand side it will becomes here negative, so this is minus 1 and minus 2x. So 3 minus 1 equals to 2 minus 2x. So this is the value of x square, and now we call this is our equation number 1. And here we use this equation number 1 to solve or find the other powers of x. So that now we take squaring on both of the sides of this equation, and it is written as x square and its whole square equals to 2 minus 2x whole square. So this will be written as x square and its whole square equals to x to the power of 4. Now here we just expand 2 minus 2x and whole square, so it is written as a square plus b square minus 2 times of a into b. So now we need more simplification in the right hand side. So you have 2 square equals to 4 and 2x square equals to 4x square, and this is 2 times of 2 becomes 4 and 4 to the 8x. So here we know from equation number 1 our x square equals to 2 minus 2x. We use this value of x square here, so we just write that use equation number 1. Okay, so when you use 1 it is written as x to the power of 4 equals to 4 plus 4 times of x square. So our x square is equals to 2 minus 2x. We substitute it here, 2 minus 2x minus 8x. So further we need some simplifications, and we write it as 4 plus we multiply this 4 on both of these terms, so 4 to the 8 minus 4 to the 8x, and this is also minus 8x. And now in the next step we have this is 4 plus 8 becomes 12, and minus 8 equals to minus 16x. So this is the value of x to the power of 4. And now because we solve this problem for the values of x to the power of 10, so here we again take a squaring on both of the sides. So when you take again squaring on both of the sides, it is written as 12 minus 16x and its whole square. So here we need to expand this nice identity, and here we use the formula, and it is written as 12 square plus 16x whole square minus 2 times of 12 into 16x. So here we know that the square of 12 becomes 144. So 16 square equals to 256 and it's x square minus, here we multiply 2 times of 12 times of 6, it is equals to 384x. So here again we use the value of x square here, and we know that x square equals to 2 minus 2x. So we use this value of x square here. So it is written as 144 plus 256 into x square. So x is 2 minus 2x minus 384x. So further we need more simplification, and it is written as 144 plus 256 multiplied by 2 equals to 512 minus, this is 512x minus 384x. So now here we again add these two terms, and it is equals to 656 and minus, when we subtract here 512 minus 384, it is equals to 896x. Okay, so in the left hand side we have 4 to the power of 2, so it is equals to x to the power of 8. So now next here, in order to find the value of x to the power of 10, here we need to multiply both of the sides by x square. Okay, so we multiply x square into x to the power of 8 equals to x square into 656 minus 896x. So now we again substitute the value of x square. So our x square is equals to, this is 2 minus 2x. So we substitute this value of x square here. So it is written as 2 minus 2x into 656 minus 896x. So now we multiply these two terms. So when we multiply 2 by 656, it is equals to 1312. When we multiply this term here, it is equals to 1312x and minus, now we multiply this 2 by 896. It is equals to 1792x, and this is minus times of minus becomes plus, and when we multiply this 2 by here, it is equals to 1792. So x multiplied by x equals to x square. So here we add or subtract the like terms, and we have, this is 1312 minus, we add these two terms, and it is equals to 3104x and plus 1792 into x square. So we again substitute the value of x square, it is again equals to 2 minus 2x. So here we multiply this 1792 with both of these terms, so that when we multiply this term on here, it is equals to 3584, and this is equals to 3584x. So we write this term as it is 1312 minus 3104x. So here we again add or subtract the like terms. So we add 1000, these two terms and these two terms. So here we add these two terms, and it is equals to 4896, and when we add these two terms, it is equals to 6688x. So now we back substitute the value of x. In the start of the problem, we will take x equals to square root of 3 minus 1. So in the left hand side we have x square multiplied by x8, it is equals to x to the power of 10. So we have x to the power of 10 equals to 4896 minus 6688x. So here we back substitute the value of x. So our x is equals to square root of 3 minus 1. So now here we need some simplification, and we finally got our final answer. So here we just multiply this term on both of these values. So it is equals to 4896 minus 6688 into square root of 3 plus 6688. So here we add these two terms and we get our final answer. So when we add these two terms, it is equals to 11,584 minus 6,688 into square root of x. So this is the value of x and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.